Welcome to Elderly Bloom, a place where every age is a new beginning, to grow, to share, and to rediscover life's meaning. Follow this channel and find gentle inspiration each day for a longer, healthier, and happier life.
Welcome to our health channel. Today, we're talking about diabetes mellitus, a common condition for older adults. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple and clear, so you can understand what diabetes is, what causes it, its signs, how to prevent it, how to manage it, and what to do next. Let's get started. What is diabetes mellitus? Diabetes is when your body has trouble controlling blood sugar. Normally, a hormone called insulin helps sugar get into your cells for energy. With diabetes, insulin doesn't work well, or your body doesn't make enough. This causes sugar to build up in your blood, which can lead to health problems. The American Diabetes Association says about 1 in 4 seniors in the U.S. has diabetes, mostly type 2. You're not alone, and there are ways to handle it. What causes diabetes? Several things can lead to diabetes. Family history. If your parents or siblings have diabetes, you're at higher risk. Lifestyle. Eating lots of sugary or fatty foods, not exercising, or being overweight can trigger type 2 diabetes. Age. After 65, your body may not respond to insulin as well. Other conditions, high blood pressure or high cholesterol can also raise your risk. The CDC says seniors with obesity are up to 7 times more likely to develop diabetes. But don't worry, you can take steps to lower your risk. What are the signs of diabetes? Here are some signs to watch for. Feeling thirsty or hungry a lot, even after eating. Needing to urinate often, especially at night. Feeling tired or weak for no reason. Having blurry vision. Wounds or bruises that heal slowly. Tingling or numbness in your hands or feet. If you notice these, talk to your doctor. The American Diabetes Association recommends regular blood sugar checks for seniors, especially if you have these symptoms or a family history. How can you prevent diabetes? Good news, you can lower your risk with simple steps. Here are some practical tips and activities. Eat healthy. Choose foods low in sugar and fat. Eat more veggies, fruits, whole grains like oatmeal, and lean proteins like fish or chicken. Try making a colorful salad or a smoothie with berries and spinach. Stay active. You don't need intense exercise. Walk for 30 minutes, 5 days a week. It can cut your diabetes risk by up to 40%, says the CDC. Other fun activities include chair exercises. Try seated leg lifts or arm circles at home. Dancing. Put on your favorite music and move to the beat. Gardening. Digging or planting is great for staying active. Water aerobics, gentle on joints and fun at the local pool. Watch your weight. Losing just 5 to 10% of your body weight can help if you're overweight. Start small, swap soda for water or take an extra walk each week. Get regular checkups. Test your blood sugar at least once a year. Deep breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, exhale for 4, repeat 5 times. Knitting or puzzles. Keep your mind calm and engaged. Walking in nature. Visit a park or stroll around your neighborhood. How do you manage diabetes? If you have diabetes, don't lose hope. You can live a full, happy life. Here's how to manage it. Take your medicine. Your doctor may prescribe pills like metformin or insulin shots. Take them as directed. Check your blood sugar. Use a home monitor. The American Diabetes Association says a good fasting blood sugar for seniors is 80 to 130 milligrams. Eat smart. Cut back on sweets. Choose whole grains like brown rice, and skip sugary drinks. Try small changes, like using fruit for dessert. Stay active. Walking, chair yoga, or gentle stretching keeps blood sugar steady. Join a senior fitness class for fun and friendship. Watch for complications. Diabetes can affect your heart, kidneys, or eyes, so check your blood pressure, cholesterol, and eyes regularly. The National Institute of Diabetes says good management can prevent serious issues like heart attacks or nerve damage. Motivation for those with diabetes. If you're living with diabetes, you're stronger than you know. This condition doesn't define you, it's just one part of your journey. Every step you take, like eating a healthy meal, taking a walk, or checking your blood sugar, is a victory. You're not alone. Millions of seniors are thriving with diabetes. Think of it like tending a garden. With a little care each day, you can grow a healthier, happier life. Keep going, and know that small changes make a big difference. What's next? Here's how to stay on track. Visit your doctor regularly. Get your HbA1c checked every 3 to 6 months. This test shows your average blood sugar over 2 to 3 months. For seniors, a good HbA1c is usually 7 to 8%, depending on your health. Join a support group. Connect with others through groups like those offered by the American Diabetes Association or local senior centers. Sharing stories can lift your spirits. Learn more. Take a diabetes class at your hospital or clinic. The CDC offers free programs like the National Diabetes Prevention Program. Stay positive. Diabetes doesn't stop you from enjoying life. You can still dance, laugh, and make memories with loved ones. Keep up the great work. That's it for today, folks. Diabetes takes effort, but with healthy eating, fun activities like dancing or gardening, and regular doctor visits, you can live well. Call your doctor to make a plan that's right for you. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Drop your questions in the comments. We're here to help. Stay healthy, stay strong, and keep smiling. For more info, call 1-800-DIABETES or visit cdc.gov/diabetes.
Thank you for spending this time with us here at Elderly Bloom. If today brought you a little peace or warmed your heart just a bit, don't forget to subscribe, and let's keep growing together for a longer, healthier, and happier life.